Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This video shows two beautiful gadgets. Do not drag the video to the end. You can get new review gadget video in this gadget channel. The video that will be shown now in electronics gadget. Necessary gadget for your everyday life. Do subscribe to gadget channel and press the bell button. Please like, comments and share. The link is given in the description below. Let's go. Latest gadget videos. Number 1. Mosmokin Pattern Desk Toy. You can easily spin it with a touch of finger or use our custom spinner lance for the super fast and long rotation. The unique shape and smooth finish make it very pleasant to interact with. Pattern spin silence, so you won't be bothering anyone around. You will be able to spin it, forget and play around while it is attends on the stand. We have designed a custom spinning lance for the pattern which help to achieve rotation time over 11 minutes on a glass surface. It will launch its pattern with an excess time. Our record is almost 12 minutes with a single spin. Number 2. Swellpro Waterproof Drone. Place the drone on a level surface. Power on the remote controllers. Power on the remote controllers, then the drone wait for the aircraft. Connect to the remote controllers. After the connection, pressing hold. Lift joysticks down to its lowest position. Then quickly move the right joysticks left to right, back and forth until the front and rear sticks include fresh automatic or the remote controller skin. Promotes waiting aircraft in Italy's please wait. The drone will not perform grabs. Combination no relax the joysticks. This process will be complete in 20 seconds. Do not move the drone during this process. When the front state includes turn short red and the real state include